Hi, I'm Ronnie Jr. from Wire Metal Solutions, and this week we'll be looking at your front suspension. So we're going to have a look at three parts today. So first one, we've got turret rings. These are product reference 210, and these are upgraded. Originally these were just in mild steel and either polished powder coated or bright zinc plated, and what we do now is that these are stainless steel and supplied in pairs. Next one to look at is your turrets. So originally you had turret cones, and these are just mild steel and polished powder coated. Obviously these are galvanized. That's product reference 324. Then we've just recently developed these, and these are a heavy duty mild steel and optic galvanized turret. And the idea behind these is the heavy duty and they're a lot more accessible for cleaning them. So the third component we have is your front core spring seat. This here is for left hand side, which is product reference 276. The right hand side is 278, and this here will fit all of your Defenders. So what we're going to do now is we're going to grab our turret ring. This only goes in one way, and I've put it in the wrong way there. Turn it around 90. Send the holes line up. It only go in one way. Just put them there. So when we design any of these components here, we'll say we'll grab the spring seat, we'll grab the turret ring, and we'll grab the turret itself, and we'll put it together on the AutoCAD Inventor model pack we have, and then we'll grab all three components and put them together first on the computer before we go into production to make sure everything lines up and nothing's interfering with each other. So right, next one we're trying the turret cone. So this is like more like the original one. So that just goes on one way again as well. And again, everything lines up. Sometimes you might just need to clear the holes with a bit of galv when they come back from there, but it should have been done prior. So now we're going to try in the heavy duty turret. So that lines in. It's just your washer on and your nut. There's one on. I'll pick the other one off the floor. There's your one. See, we try not to let too much out. And everything lines up. So next, your shock mount will go. Your shock will go through the top there. Looks good. Should be able to get there clean, nice and easy. That's a heavy duty one. Right, so when these are assembled, they're all done in a jig, so every single one comes out the same because you want consistency. So you've got the ring at the bottom, you've got locating pegs in, and you've got your two sides and your top piece. And that's basically the turret there. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.